I got him on the video now.
He's going way up.
He's getting to the top. Look at that thing go. Watch out, Frank.
Yeah. Oh, look, he's got baby porcupines here.
Oh, really? Up top?
No, I'm joking.
Well, if they were down bottom, he'd be coming down at you. She would. This Chipper Cake, there is a big hunter, Chipper. That's Cutter in the wild.
That's right. Up here in them Maine woods, you don't know what you're going to run into.
What's out here, Cutter?
Well, we got bear.
Yeah?
We got deer. We got mooses. Plenty of mooses up here.
We got porcupines, if you want to. We got wild porcupines.
Hey, there's Frankie out there.
Yeah, there goes.
Hey, there's Frankie out there. He's over there hunting.
I'm about 6-7 miles deep. I came into a koala bear.
Koala bears in the woods?
Koala bear.
I didn't know koala bears out in this area.
Oh, the northern Maine woods.
That ain't no polar bear.
What is it then, Bear Cutter?
That's your Maine porcupine.
Oh,
Huh.
motherfucker.
That's right. That guy.
Frankie,
They don't have any koala bears out here.
Longer than me.
Frankie Cutter said out the damn porcupine.
Oh my God! I'm gonna shoot this guy over here.
Oh, motherfucker.
I'm gonna take him out.